Marcus, the hotel manager of Paradise Hotel, is stressed out completely. His hotel occupancy has been tanking steadily for the last 4 years. Note how average actual occupancy started off at 76% in 22 and is now at 59%. Marcus needs to find out the main cause for this and fix it fast. Hotel managers often tend to blame market situation for problem and even crisis. However, the competition is doing well, so Marcus has to look internally. Allow me to show where Marcus should look for first. Knowing where to begin is critical for any operational problem or even a full-blown crisis. The free fall occupancy we saw earlier is one such full-blown crisis. Marcus will leverage a powerful technique that will solve the crisis. Let's see how that works. He will use a technique which will give him absolute peace of mind. Crisis happens when a hotel runs a busy operation. Like we saw earlier, that Marcus has to reverse the occupancy free fall over the last 4 years by taking immediate action. To rescue from a crisis is what the mini-series is all about. But it uses a very unique technique for this. Let's find out what that is. At the heart of the mini-series is the fact that no crisis can be solved by just a single action. This is because hotel operation is affected by multiple factors and causes. Picking the most critical cause first and solving it before moving on to the next is at the core of the mini-series. Why? It protects you from attempting many things at the same time. But most of all, you will then understand how problems are connected but need to be tackled separately for maximum results. How does the mini-series achieve this goal? Let's see. Video duration is designed for the busy hotel manager and is mostly crisp 3 to 5 minute videos. The simple non-technical usable philosophy greatly assists effective learning, and a neat trick coming up takes learning to the next level. For maximum impact, it is always important to deal with problems one at a time. This is even more important with the next facet of the problem. Although hotel operational problems are generally connected, they need to be tackled separately. Each video is interconnected. While it allows Marcus to see all causes for a problem, it teaches him how to prioritize the most critical one. Enough of the theory. Let's bring back the example of the falling occupancy. Marcus needs to find out the main cause for this and fix it fast. Before that, he needs to take a step back and see what are the causes that could be impacting the occupancy fall. This is because it's only from the big picture overview Marcus can pick the most critical cause, and it is also the biggest strength of the mini-series. This allows the hotel manager to understand deeply what are the causes of the problem before attempting to solve the impactful one, the most impactful one. A few housekeeping items, however, need to be cleared before that. Percentages have no life without being related to the number they refer to. You cannot solve a percentage on its own. It has no meaning of its own. Unfortunately, many hotel managers do not understand this basic principle. So Marcus had to dive into the world of specific market segments. Why? Because market segments are the key performance indicators that deliver hotel occupancy overall. Many hotel managers are guilty of not using specific market segments. That unfortunate hit or miss approach will result in a disaster for sure. Let's put this on a step-by-step template form which hotel managers can use to rescue the hotel from problems and crisis. The biggest strength of the mini-series is that it deals with one problem at a time. This allows a hotel manager to understand deeply what are the causes of the problem before attempting to solve it. Want to know how this occupancy free fall crisis was actually solved? Watch the historical analysis video being pointed out above. This will allow you to attack future crises with a full system on hand.